This is the OGERY portable rechargeable camping fan. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it arrived just like this. Nice looking packaging, packed up safe in styrofoam. And inside the box, you're going to get, obviously, the fan itself, a remote control with the battery already in it. This little plastic tab you pull out to activate it. They say it can work from up to about 5 feet away. You're going to get about a 3-foot long USB Type-C to Type-C cable because this is a rechargeable device with a 20,000 milliamp battery in it. It's going to give us a decent amount of runtime. We're looking at about 200 hours on the lowest fan speed and about 17 hours on the highest speed. That's not bad at all. This fan is made of ABS material. It measures about 9.5 inches long, about 4 inches wide, and it stands about 15 inches tall. It's relatively lightweight, but you can definitely feel that there's a battery pack on the bottom of it. And speaking of the bottom, there are rubber pads to protect the surface that you're setting it on. And there's actually, this is kind of cool, there's a hook on here that actually rotates. So you can hang it up and rotate it back into place to store it away. And the fan has a 270-degree vertical tilt. Let's go over the front panel. As far as I can tell, this little smiley face guy just turns the display lights off and on. And here's something I like. It actually has a stepless speed control knob, so you can dial the fan in to a speed you like. And you can see it gives you the percentages on the way up. I got it at 25, 50, 75, and 100%. It has a shutdown timer that you can set to 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Right here is an oscillation button. You press that to get the fan to oscillate. And it has different degrees that you can set it to: 30-degree oscillation, 60, 90, or 120. And the last button on here activates the ring lantern on the front. They say that alone it will run anywhere from 36 to 165 hours depending on which of the 3 light settings you have it on: low, medium, and high. Obviously, using the fan along with the light or the oscillation feature is going to affect the overall runtime on the batteries. That's pretty obvious. The unit can be fully recharged in about 7.5 hours. One of the things that I really like about this is that you can also use it while it's charging up. That's a good feature. On the back, there are 2 USB outs. This Type-C one is actually an in and an out. You're going to plug it in here when you want to charge it up. And you can actually come out of it and this other USB here and charge up to 2 small devices at the same time with up to 22.5 watts max output. And there's a slot right here to store your remote control. And the remote control does all the same functions that you have on the front of the panel. Turn it on. Where's my smiley face? There it is. Turn the lights off. Adjust the light settings, on and off, fan speed. Pretty cool. So there you go. I can think of a ton of uses for this fan. RVs, camping comes to mind, a tent fan, a tent light, outside reading light, fishing fan. Around the house, it can be used as a desk fan or a workshop fan, laundry room fan, bedroom fan to fall asleep to, and you can even set the timer to shut it off after a certain period of time. These are great to put under a podium if you do any public speaking. I use this type of fan to put under my microphone stand when I'm playing in my band too, especially outside. They work great for that. All kinds of uses. Very nice.